Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong reading para sa second half ng 2024. So, July to December. Ayan. So, let's see what are the energies coming to you. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang kung gusto nyo mag-book. So, let's see, Scorpio, what's coming to you second half ng 2024, July to December. Your overall energy, 3 of Wands. Wow, napakaganda nito. Maaring you are anticipating something. Meron kang hinihintay na parating na, ayan na. Maaring merong babalik from abroad, no, na kamag-anak or someone na nagkaroon kayo ng separation. When I say separation, ano siya ha? Hindi yung dahil ayaw nyo na sa isa't isa. Kumbaga, ano lang, physical lang, no? Oo, may distance sa inyong dalawa. And ngayong second half ng 2024, magkikita na kayo ulit. You also have energies na ano, maaring may expansion. So, pwedeng, if you have a business, pwedeng nag-expand ka ng iyong negosyo, nagdadagdag ka ng products, ng services, mas lumalago ito, pwedeng magdadagdagan ng mga branches, yung iyong negosyo. Pagdating naman sa trabaho, pwedeng meron kang opportunity na ipadala sa abroad or sa ibang lugar, no, para makapag-training. Because that is for good luck, adventure, and finally taking action sa mga bagay na pinlano mo pa lang, no? So ngayong second half ng 2024, that's the execution. So gagawin mo na siya. Let's see your possible challenge, the Hanged Man. Okay, ang challenge sa inyo, Scorpio, is procrastination. Kasi minsan, may mga times na nagda-doubt kayo sa sarili nyong kakayanan. Tapos yung doubts na yon, that is preventing you from taking action. That is preventing you from doing something. Okay? So, gamitin nyo tong time na to para makapag-reflect. Kumbaga, mapag-isipan rin ng maigi yung mga decision making ninyo. Pero kasi, minsan pag sobrang yung parang, yung iba kasi, pinag-aaralan, okay? Pero yung iba naman, nasosobrahan na parang na-overestimate na to the point na hindi ka na tuloy nakakapag-move on or nakaka-move forward doon sa gagawin mo kasi nga nag-overthink ka na, okay? So, yan yung challenge para sa inyo na umiwas sa overthinking dahil it may result to procrastination. Okay, let's see your opportunity. You have the Page of Wands. So, this is good news, no? Merong parating na magandang balita for you. This can be related to your career, to your business, or ito, gaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo na maaring may uuwi, no? Galing sa ibang bansa. So, let's see, saan tong good news na to? First house, this is about yourself. So, maaring meron kang self-accomplishment ngayong second half ng 2024, yung mga projects mo, finally, you are taking action on that. Siyempre, pag gumagawa ka na ng action, napapalapit ka na doon sa resulta, no, ng goals mo. So, let's see your blessing. You have the 9 of Wands. Ang blessing mo dito is your strength, yung lakas, stamina, no? Oo, and people are going to support you sa mga adhikain mo, sa mga goals mo sa buhay. And I think, as a blessing, no, ito yung good health para sa'yo. You will have great or good health and strength para sa mga gusto mong gawin. No? Sabi nga, health is wealth, 'di ba? So, it's a blessing for you na meron kang magandang kalusugan, pangangatawan, 'di ba? So, let's see, clarify pa natin. What is the 3 of Wands? What is the 3 of Wands? You have the 8 of Cups. Oh, okay. So, Some of you, maaring merong iiwanan na situation para meron kayong explore pa. So, ang nakikita ko rito is yung tinatanggal nyo na yung limitations ninyo. Yung mga self-limiting beliefs na, hindi ko kaya yan. Ay, mahirap gawin yan. Kasi yan yung isa sa nagiging challenge sa inyo. Pero kaya nga siya challenge, ibig sabihin is, you have to overcome that. So, I think, ay ang inyong lakas ng loob, yan ang magiging dahilan para ma-overcome nyo yung doubts ninyo sa inyong sarili. At kung meron kayong kailangang iwanan na, iiwanan nyo na para ma-explore nyo pa yung potentials ninyo. Daughter of Pentacles, clarify yung Hanged Man. I think you need to learn more, no? Pwedeng meron kang realization na kaya pala siguro nagda-doubt ako sa sarili ko kasi feeling ko may kulang yung kaalaman ko. So syempre kung kulang yung sa tingin mo kulang yung kaalaman mo, then research, learn something, no? I-enhance mo yung knowledge mo. Yun yung mas magbibigay sa'yo ng confidence na i-pursue yung mga bagay na gusto mo. Let's see, what is the Page of Wands? The Mother of Cups. Someone is really very caring sa'yo, no? Someone is very supportive sa mga endeavors mo, mga gusto mong gawin, simulan. This can be your mother or a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, pareho mo rin na water sign, or pwede rin namang fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I feel like you are going to follow your dreams. Isa yan sa opportunity mo ngayong second half ng 2024. Yung mga pinapangarap mo related sa iyong creativity, sa talents mo, sa skills mo, ipupurso mo yan. So, isa yan sa adventure na may experience mo. What is the Nine of Wands? You have the Six of Wands. Oh, this is success for you. Wow. So, as a blessing, lahat ng mga paghihirapan mo, lahat ng e-effortan mo, rewarding siya. Okay? This will lead you to a major transformation. So, maaring may magbabago sa situation mo in a good way dahil talagang trinabaho mo. Dahil talagang pinaghirapan mo. And some of you, may mga sacrifices din kayo dyan. And talagang masasabi nyo na worth it siya. No? Let's see your money, career, finances, energies. Hero, ikaw ay maaring meron kang tutulungan or ikaw yung tutulungan, no? But I feel like ikaw to na makakatulong sa ibang tao, no? You will be able to support others as well, no? And strong enough ka raw to overcome difficulties when it comes to your career, your finances. So, ikaw yung hero ng sarili mo. Ayan. Meron kang goal na matatarget. Ayan, no? Kaya nga kailangan dito is iwasan mo na yung procrastination. Mas maganda na unti-unti, no? Kahit unti-unti, one step at a time, makapag-take ka na ng action dun sa mga gusto mo na ma-explore or gusto mo na gawin for your career, for your finances, for your business. Para at least you are closer, one step closer. You have the Hermit sa Virgo energy. Talagang ito ay meron kang mga gagawin, aayusin, shadow work, inner work, na alam mong maaring may awareness ka na hindi, meron kang attitude towards your career, your business na alam mong hindi nakakabuti para sa pag-unlad mo, no? Example, procrastination. And at least, no, pag naging aware ka na, madali nang masolusyonan yung problema. You have the Ace of Pentacles, new beginnings coming in for your career, your finances, for your money, for your business ngayong second half ng 2024. So, very exciting. Pwedeng bagong business. Oo, yung iba sa inyo may bibilhin kayo na property, gagawin yung negosyo, tatayuan nyo ng paresan, char. Okay, sa relationship, meron ditong romantic connection. Maaring you are going to explore your feelings for someone. Kaya lang merong red flags dito, so just make sure to pay attention sa red flags. Kasi minsan, 'no, na ano, nabubulagan tayo sa mga red flags ng isang tao. Although kapag bagong kilala mo pa lang, siyempre mahirap naman mag-judge agad, baka may backstory yung person na yun. So, yan yung tinatawag na ano, give the person the benefit of the doubt. Okay? You have the Page of Pentacles. So, you may be dealing with an Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn na bata pa or mas bata sa'yo. You have the Hierophant. So, I think, no, when it comes to relationship, you have to get to know this person muna, no, bago ka pumasok sa ano, sa isang seryosong commitment. Although nandun yung feelings, but of course, you have to be careful kasi pwedeng merong hindi magandang intention tong person na to. So, it's much better na to ask rin. Pwede ka rin humingi ng guidance sa mga taong experience na pagdating sa relationship para matulungan ka rin, mabigyan ka ng tips. Okay? So, you have Venus in Capricorn in the 10th house. When it comes to your career, marami kang pwede pang magawa, no? Ma-explore pagdating sa trabaho, sa business, sa career mo. And I think for some of you, meron kayong mga matutuklasan pa about yourself, yung mga kakayanan mo na pwede mo pa palang i-enhance, i-improve. We have Venus in Leo in the 5th house. So definitely, some of you, maaring merong romantic connection ngayong second half ng 2024. Pwedeng kayo ay mas magiging open sa dating kung kayo ay single. Yun nga lang, kailangan pay attention to the red flags, no? Okay? And of course, you will spend more time rin sa sarili mo. Me time, no? So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, you will go to the spa, relax, no? Relax ka, papamassage. You're going to pamper yourself. Self-care is a necessity, not a luxury. Yes. Kailangan natin yan, self-care. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye!